colored Roman shades are beautiful and easy to install. In this video, we'll show you how to mount yours inside the window step by step. First, take a look at the installation guide that was included with your shade. Make sure you have all of the parts and all of the tools you'll need. If you're installing into anything other than wood, get the appropriate screws and anchors. Second, hold the headrail up in the window. Center it, and then carefully place a mark where the center of the mounting plates are located. Set the shade aside. Using the marks you just made, for a flush mount of a 1.5-inch headrail, place a mark 5/8 of an inch from the front of the window casing. If your shade has a 2.25-inch headrail, place a mark 1 3/8 inch from the front of the window casing for a flush mount. These marks will be where the front edge of your bracket is placed. Center your brackets on the first mark and mark the screw locations. Now, drill the holes for the screws with a 1/16-inch drill bit and screw the brackets securely into place. Now you're ready to mount your shade. Place the front edge of the mounting plate into the front lip of the bracket and then raise the opposite side until it snaps into place. If you prefer, you can use an alternate method and direct mount the shade into the window frame. You'll need to remove the mounting plates. Drill through the headrail directly into the window frame. Note that you run the risk of pulling the fabric on the face of the shade when using this mounting technique. To install the cord cleat or continuous loop lift, check your installation guide. Raise and lower your shade a few times to make sure the fabric is pleating smoothly. If necessary, smooth the fabric at the folds and leave the shade in the raised position, allowing the folds to form a memory. If your shade has some light wrinkles, follow the ironing and steaming setting on the fabric label found at the bottom hem of the shade. Always steam or iron your shade from the back. This will help prevent any damage or marking that might occur if you were to apply an iron or steam to the face of the fabric. When steaming a shade, do not let the head of the steamer touch the fabric. Keep a distance of at least 1/2 inch to 1 inch from the back of the fabric. This will help prevent watermarks from forming on the shade. That's it. You're done. If you had any trouble following these steps or need to know how to care for and clean your new shade, check your installation guide or go to our website.